Hi, welcome to Vanier Student Life. On behalf of myself, Mariah, and my colleague Kristen, we would like to take a moment to just let you know a little bit about what we do in Vanier Student Life in this virtual open house session. So quickly, our main kind of goal is to host fun social activities for students, to give them an opportunity to engage in campus life outside of their classroom, to learn new skills, to meet new people, to have ways to engage in campus life and sort of feel a belonging to the community. So this can range from us hosting things like a Halloween haunted house to a geek con, or even some trivia events and games. We also host cultural events like the Lunar New Year, Diwali, and many more. We're a very multicultural student body, so we try to recognize that through hosting different cultural events so that students can showcase their cultures and their communities and learn more about the different communities that their classmates are from. Volunteering is a big element in Vanier Student Life. So if you're looking to volunteer, we have a volunteer recognition program and newsletter to help you find a volunteer placement either on campus or off campus. And we recognize and celebrate our volunteers at the end of the year. If you are trying to learn some new skills that you wouldn't typically learn in a conventional classroom, don't worry, we've got you covered there too. We host a series of workshops and leadership training events so that you can learn anything from how to change the oil in your car to how to be a more effective leader. We're part of the intercollegiate network called CASAP and the French Quebec network called REASC. So CASAP is the English network. And we host intercollegiate activities, competitions, and showcases. So if you're looking to showcase your dance skills, your art skills, your K-pop skills, what have you, there are a lot of different ways that you can get involved in that. And last but not least, one of our main goals is to really support the well-being of our students while they're on campus. So this can range from us having pet therapy days to wellness activities to having Play-Doh and board games and coloring in our Student Life Center, just to give you the opportunity to de-stress while you're here on campus. If you have any questions for us, Kristen and I would be happy to answer. You can find us at Vanier Student Life.